Making multiplication simple. The partial products method. Hello learners. Welcome to another exciting episode on our journey to master the English language and the beautiful world of numbers. Today, we are going to discuss an important technique in multiplication called the partial products method. This method makes multiplying multi-digit numbers a piece of cake. Let's dive in and explore together. Multiplication is one of the four basic operations in mathematics. When we talk about multiplication, we often think of it as repeated addition. For instance, 3 multiplied by 2, written as 3 by 2, is simply adding 3 two times, giving us 6. But when we deal with multi-digit numbers, multiplication can seem a bit complicated. That's where the partial products method comes in to save the day. The partial products method is a way to break down more complex multiplication problems into simpler ones. This method is all about understanding the value of each digit in a number, and then breaking down the multiplication into smaller, manageable parts or partial products. For instance, if we're multiplying 12 by 3, we can break 12 into 10 and 2, and then multiply each of these parts by 3. We get 30 and 6, and adding these together gives us our final answer, 36. Let's go through a step-by-step example to see how this method works in action. Suppose we want to multiply 23 by 15. Here's how we do it. 1. Break down the numbers. We break 23 down into 20 and 3, and 15 down into 10 and 5. 2. Multiply each part. Now, we multiply each part of the first number, 20 and 3, by each part of the second number, 10 and 5. 3. 20 times 10 equals 200. 4. 20 times 5 equals 100. 5. 3 times 10 equals 30. 6. 3 times 5 equals 15. 7. Add the results. Add all the results together. 8. 200 plus 100 plus 30 plus 15 equals 345. So, using the partial products method, 23 multiplied by 15 is 345. Quite simple, right? This method may seem a bit complex at first, but trust me, the more you practice, the easier it gets. It's a fantastic way to improve your understanding of how numbers work. So keep practicing and make sure to try it out with different multi-digit numbers. And that's it for today's video. We've learned about the partial products method, a simple and effective way to multiply multi-digit numbers. I hope this new tool will make your math journey more enjoyable and less daunting. Remember, practice is the key. So, go ahead, pick up your pen and start multiplying. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and stay curious.